Welcome to this quick tutorial showing you how to use Zoom for your Pilates classes on an Apple computer. You should receive an email which will contain a link to your online class as well as a meeting ID and a passcode. The date and time of your class will also be shown. The first thing I'd suggest is you download the Zoom meeting client to your computer. If you open your default web browser and search for Zoom or visit www.zoom.us, once the web page is open, you'll need to go to Resources in the top right-hand corner and click Download Zoom Client. I recommend using the first option, Zoom Client for Meetings. Press the big blue Download button. Once the download is complete, you'll need to install the file. This may look different on a computer, so just go through the process to install the Zoom Meeting Client. When you've installed Zoom, we're going to go back to that email and click on the link. This should automatically open Zoom for you. Once the Zoom meeting is opened, you'll see a menu bar at the bottom. If we press the Start Video feed, you'll be able to see yourself. There I am. I'm going to hide that for the tutorial. Next to it is a microphone button. Your audio will automatically be muted, so I won't be able to hear you. If you press this button at any time and speak, the whole class will be able to hear you. Further along the menu bar is the Participant button. If you press this, you'll be able to see a list of all of the other participants in the class. Next is the Chat feature. Here you can send messages to the group. Finally, when you're ready to leave the meeting, press Leave in the bottom right-hand corner. Another way to join your meeting is to open the Zoom application. Press Join a Meeting and then you can manually enter your meeting ID. Press Join and you'll be prompted to enter the passcode. This will open the same window we saw before. It's as easy as that.